I hit 1 million followers. I should be happy, right? Wrong. We're making chicken wings. Don't fuck it up. This is how you make restaurant quality wings at home. You're gonna grab your chicken wing, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, onion powder, a touch of paprika, a little bit of chili powder, salt. If you know someone that likes drums more than flats, chances are they're a fucking serial killer. You're gonna toss your wings until they're fully covered. Why didn't you use a barbecue oven, deep fryer? Shut up, man. If you don't have an air fryer by now, you probably live under a rock or you live in the mountains of Uzbekistan. $3.75 for 15 minutes. Now we make some honey garlic. Climb a tree and attack the biggest beehive you see. Garlic. You're gonna dice your garlic super fine. A touch of ginger. If I spend 1 more week in California, I'm gonna be African American. Butter, ginger, garlic. Cook this on super low heat for about 5 minutes. If you burn your garlic, this is what you do. Grab your knife, put it upright, and then you're gonna sneeze into it. Honey goes in. A touch of soy sauce. A touch of chili powder if you're not a bitch. Right at the end, you're gonna add in some green onion. And that's your honey garlic sauce. I lied to your fucking face. 20 minutes, not 15 minutes. Listen. Sesame seeds on top. A little bit of green onion. And that's how you make a perfect chicken wing.